Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and video review performance of our new product called the TDD Roadmaster. So let's start with the unboxing. So dito makikita nyo may nilagay na kami na user's manual. So sa manual, andito yung wiring layout and then yung specific details ng light. So as we have done with all our products, yung packaging namin includes a sturdy box. So makapal yung box niya for the protection of the product. And then inside that box, meron pang foam na nakabalot dun sa mismong light. So it will be protected kahit na dumaan siya sa delivery process ng mga couriers. So the package includes 2 units ng Roadmaster, and then each unit meron siyang included na ballast. For the Roadmaster, ang power output nito is 70 watts per unit, and each unit meron siyang 6 LED bulbs. For the cooling system of Roadmaster, we decided to put 3 motor fans at the back. So normally 1 or 2 lang ang auxiliary light na fans. But for this one, dahil nga 70 watts siya, we decided to put 3 para mas mabilis yung cooling effect dun sa mga LED. So for the wiring of Roadmaster, meron siyang 3 wires, 1 negative wire and 2 positive wires for high and low beams. In the box, included din yung mga base connector ng lights and of course yung mga nuts and bolts that you need for the installation. So if you are familiar with our other products, you would notice na it has similarities with the X-Beast. So yes, it has the same design and same materials, but we have just upgraded it to double its power. For Roadmaster, as you can see, it is quite big. And compared to other auxiliary lights, medyo mabigat siya. So for this light, we recommend it to be used sa mga medyo malaking motorcycles. Of course, it is still universal to all motorcycles, pero mas kailangan natin ng medyo sturdy na brackets so that it could support the weight. So now let's look at the wall shot and beam pattern of TDD Roadmaster. So to describe the beam pattern, medyo mas focused siya and hindi siya kasing lawak ng mga iba naming auxiliary light like Dominator and Night Ranger. So yung light beam niya is, as you can see in the video, talagang compact lang and concentrated at the center. And as a result of that concentrated power, yung yellow and white beams niya mas bright and mas powerful. So for this light, we recommend it sa mga users na ang gusto nila is lumiliwanag lang yung talagang nasa harap nila and yung gusto na sobrang lakas and matingkad yung ilaw. For road usability, we can use it for both city driving and provincial roads. But for city driving, we recommend na you use low beam pag meron tayong kasalubong since matingkad nga in yung high beam niya, it might cause glare to oncoming road traffic. It would also be beneficial for those who like long night rides, especially in the province, because at a distance, kahit malayo pa, makikita nyo na kagad yung mga lubak dahil nga matingkad yung ilaw niya. And yung visibility nyo is lalawak talaga. So now let us see the actual performance of Roadmaster sa daan. So as you can see, yung cut-off ng Roadmaster is very clear. Very precise yung buga niya. Talagang kitang-kita mo yung pagka-square ng ilaw. And in this video, makikita nyo din kung gaano katingkad yung yellow and white beams niya. So talagang very evident yung power kasi nga 70 watts siya and meron siyang 6 LED bulbs. So with all those LEDs combined, sobrang liwanag talaga ng output niya. This would also be very useful when it comes to the rainy season kasi with the yellow light, this would help us with the visibility kahit basa yung daan. It would still help us see the road kahit na yung mga asfalto medyo dark yan. With the yellow light, it would illuminate the path and dahil nga matingkad, it would help us see better. So that's it for this video review. If you want to know more details about this product or other TDD products, you can visit our website at tddphilippines.com. For other updates and other information, you can also check out our social media at TDD Philippines in our Facebook page, Instagram, and our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day and of course, ride safe everyone.